Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Blender, and let's see how to do the explosion in Blender. So we have an object, our cube. Let us color it first. So I'm going to Material Properties, and on Base Color I'll choose something like nice green one. Okay. So let us see how it looks. Wonderful. So to explode it, we have to divide it first. So we're going to Object, choosing Quick Effect. In the Quick Effect, we are going to Cell Fracture add-on. If you don't have such an add-on, you should firstly go to Add-ons and add it. Now, in this window, let us change some properties. Okay, let us change source limit to something like 400. For example, noise, let it be a little bit more than half. 0.60 is okay. Then choose random and let's change to 0.64. Okay, it's okay. And let us assign the collection. Let it be like parts, for example. Okay. Clicking OK. A lot of parts. Now I'm going to our scene and I am doing our cube unvisible. Then let's go to Scene Properties and Gravity. Let's do 0. Okay, and okay, let's go to Rigid Body, and here I'm checking Split Impulse. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to our object and I'm choosing one part and going to Physics Properties. Here I'm choosing Collision and Rigid Body. Rigid Body type Active and Shape changing to Mesh. In those settings of Dynamics, I'm changing them, increasing to 0.60, 0. Something like 60. It's done. Now I have to do the same with all other parts. So I'm choosing all the object and going to Object, Rigid Body, and choosing Copy from Active. Okay, let us see now. This is our animation. I think it works.